The world is moving toward smarter, greener energy, and it all starts right here, on the rooftop. Today, we're not just talking about solar panels. We are going deeper into the heart of any solar system, the inverter. Hi everyone, I'm John Engero, a physics teacher and renewable energy enthusiast. In this video, we are going hands-on with the Sungrow MG6RL, a smart, compact inverter that packs advanced safety, powerful performance, and digital controls into one sleek unit. We will unbox it, install it, test it, and show you why Sungrow might just be leading the residential energy revolution. First impressions, it is light, just around 18 kilograms, but the build is solid. A compact footprint with a robust matte finish housing. And yes, it is IP65 and C5 certified, meaning it's completely dust-tight, water-resistant, and corrosion protected. That's a win for long-term outdoor installs. Our very skilled friends from Sungrow installed the MG6RL. The installation was easy and quick. Sungrow's bracket system and plug-and-play terminals make the process painless. No need to remove the cover for installation. This prevents moisture from entering and forming condensation, which could pose safety risk and helps avoid accidental contact. You wire the DC input and the AC output, plug in communication lines, and you are done. So, what makes the MG6RL a top-tier inverter for homes? Let's look at the specs that matters. Max apparent output power, 2 times rated for 10 seconds. That means it can handle load spikes like starting a heat pump or electric vehicle charger. Backup switch time, less than 4 milliseconds. In the event of a power cut, your home switches seamlessly. Home backup with 24/7 uninterrupted green power. Even if the grid power is suddenly cut off, your home appliances will keep running. You won't notice a thing. Superior thermal stability, 100% output at 45 degrees Celsius plus. Perfect for high temperature zones, no loss of power in summer heat. Under high temperature conditions, the system maximizes the use of clean energy to save money. During power outages, there's no need to worry about losing electricity or being unable to use high-power appliances. Most mainstream inverters experience reduced efficiency above 35 degrees Celsius. Even when temperatures reach 45 degrees Celsius under strong sunlight, our system still ensures full power operation during the hottest periods. Multifunctional interface, it can be connected to a diesel generator. Future software upgrades will enable support for more functions. Lightning protection, DC level 2 and AC level 2. Built-in protection against surges, no extra gear needed. And the best part, it is completely silent. Thanks to natural convection cooling, there are no noisy fans, just efficient, passive thermal design. As quiet as household appliances with a fanless design for appliance-level silent operation. One of Sungrow's biggest strengths is its software. iSolarCloud is intuitive, visual, and loaded with features. You can track generation in real time, receive alerts, schedule updates, and even diagnose faults remotely. Combine this with iHome Manager and Shelly Smart Sockets, and you got a fully integrated, automated energy system. Smart energy, smart living. When you are near the machine, you can directly check its status. Very intuitive and the data is real-time. When you are away, use iSolarCloud for remote monitoring and settings. As a user and a physics teacher, what I value most is transparency, efficiency, and safety. This inverter checks all the three boxes. It's plug and play, whisper quiet, and backed by a platform that gives me total system control from anywhere. With Sungrow, I am not just reducing bills, I'm building resilience into my home energy. That's peace of mind. And so, who is this inverter for? This inverter is for users looking to reduce their household electricity bills, users who want stable power supply for their homes, and users who prefer to use clean energy. And with Sungrow's global service network, you are not left alone after the install. Let's have a quick recap of the Sungrow MG6RL inverter. Less than 4 millisecond grid-off-grid switching, full power backup at 45 degrees Celsius, 2 times AC overload, iSolarCloud, iHome Manager, Smart Socket Control, DC Type 2 and AC Type 2, IP65 waterproof and C5M corrosion resistant, integrated multifunction interface. The Sungrow MG6RL delivers smart solar for real homes. Powerful, protected, and ready for anything. And here is something exciting. Sungrow is launching a brand new battery model with advanced safety features. If you are serious about solar, make sure it is Sungrow. Learn more at sungrowpower.com or contact your local installer. I am John Ingero. Thanks for watching, and until next time, smart energy, smarter living, clean power for all.